Good morning, students. It's me, Dakshina, and I'm here again with my next video. And the topic is formal and informal conversation. Someone said correctly, the very attempt of not to speak speaks a lot. Conversation plays a crucial role in our life as people interchange their ideas, information, feelings, opinion by communicating. Formal conversation is one that passes through predefined channels or conversation throughout the organization. On the contrary, informal conversation refers to the form of conversation which flows in every direction. It moves freely in the organization. In an organization, there are two channels of conversation: formal conversation and informal conversation. People often confuse between these two channels. So here is explained the difference between formal and informal conversation network. The conversation in which the flow of information is already defined is termed as formal conversation. The conversation follows a hierarchical chain of command which is established by the organization itself. In general, this type of conversation is used exclusively in the workplace, and the employees are bound to follow it while performing their duties. Example: request, commands, orders, reports, etc. The formal conversation is of four types: upward or bottom up. First, the conversation in which the flow of information goes from subordinate to superior authority. Second, downward or top down. The conversation in which the flow of information goes from superior to subordinate. Third, horizontal or lateral. The conversation between two employees of different departments working at the same level. Fourth, crosswise or diagonal. The conversation between the employees of two different departments working at different levels. Definition of formal conversation: the conversation which does not follow any predefined channel for the transmission of information is known as informal conversation. This type of conversation moves freely in all directions, and thus it is very quick and rapid. If any organization, this type of conversation is very natural as people interact with each other about their professional life, personal life, and other matters. Example: sharing of feelings, casual discussion, gossip, etc. The informal conversation is of four types. First, single strand chain. The conversation in which one person tells something to another, who again says something to some other person, and the process goes on. And you can understand with this diagram. Second, cluster chain. The conversation in which one person tells something to some of its most trusted people, and then they tell them to their trustworthy friends, and the conversation continues. You can also see in this second diagram. Third, probability chain. The conversation happens when a person randomly chooses some persons to pass on the information which is of a little interest but not important. You can also see the third diagram which shows probability chain. Fourth, gossip chain. The conversation starts when a person tells something to a group of people, and then they pass on the information to some more people, and in this way of information is passed on to everyone, which you can also understand with the last and the fourth diagram which shows gossip chain. Thank you.